So see guys, in US, uSMART or maybe like in US stock exchange, there are a lot of stocks. So it's not possible for the Indian people, like, if you're just trading in Indian market, so you can't just track it, like for the whole day, sitting like from 7 in the night till 2, or maybe you can say that 8 to 1:30 it happens, 8 to 2:30. So there's a very simple trick, what I will teach you. For that, what we have to do is, so hedging trick and how it will work, I'll just teach you. For that, what you have to do is, you have to just, for hedging trick, we have to just identify the quarterly earning. Okay. First step is, so we have to go with the quarterly earning of all the stocks, like maybe on 27th, right now it's 27. So 30, there is a Nike earning is there. So like that, every week you'll get some earning. Okay. So whenever the earning comes, always remember that the movement happens in US market. So maybe if you're going with Nike, so what you have to look out. And if you're going with some like Tesla, Apple, or whichever earning comes, that is what the goal is, to watch out. So you have to identify whenever when the earning is coming. So like if you want to just see like quarterly earning, where we can find. One is, if you're using a trading view chart, you can find out the earning in trading view chart. It will show you like 28 or next week the earning is coming. Or the simple method, how to identify the earning. So for that, what you have to do is, you have to just go over here. Can you see this? You have to just go over here, come down. Over here, there is a finance. Okay. So click that finance in Google. So once the finance is opened, just come to this. Once you open that tab, just come here. Click this US. Okay. US button over here. Click this. Then just scroll down. You can see that earning calendar is there. Okay. So there's an earning calendar. So in earning calendar, it will tell you like June, what are the earnings are coming, maybe July. So maybe after July 1, it will tell you in July, whenever the earning is coming, the date. So this is very important. We should know the date. So if you know the date of that stock, then yeah, it is easy for us to go for our hedging strategy. Okay. So it is June. So in June, this is the last earning. That is Nike. So once you click this plus button, it will just tell you all the earnings of that month. So maybe I think this is the last earning in June, and after July, you'll get some new earning. So 30th June, there's an earning on Nike. So now how to trade on that? For that, what you have to do is, you have to go in this, uSMART. You have to go in uSMART, in US option, type Nike. Then you have to find out over here, the put and call. Okay. So put and call. So right now it is like 27. So better if you know that the earning of Nike is on 30th. So 1 week prior. So right now the expiry over here is 30th. So right now over here, the expiry is 30th June. So what you have to do is, prior to one week back, like the last week expiry, what happened? Maybe around, you can say that last Friday. So last Friday, you have to watch out this 30th, what is happening. So the first step is, you have to go with that expiry. That 30th June is our Nike ka expiry date, right? Earning is coming. So 30th June. So 30th June, we are getting Nike's expiry, right? So we will look out for this expiry date. That is 30th June expiry, or else if the expiry is on 27th, then also you will watch out for this expiry. The range should be between this. So if the expiry, like the earning is coming on 27, you'll also watch out for this expiry date only, because we need to know the weekly expiry when it's coming on the earning. Okay. So once you got that, the 30th expiry, then what you have to do is, you have to watch out for 0.5, 0.5. You have to watch out for 0.5, 0.5. Okay. So the call side, you'll watch out 0.5. The premium should be 0.5. Put side also, you'll watch out 0.5. So here, 1 lot is equal to 100. Okay. 1 lot is equal to 100. So lot size is 1 lot is equal to 100. Over here, the same thing. 1 lot is equal to 100. So if you're going with 1 lot size, that means your investment is around $50 over here. Your investment is $50 over here. And the same thing, your investment is $50 over here. So when you just go for buying, this 0.5 will be around 0.530 or maybe 0.54. So approximately you need around $110 to buy this. Okay. So you need $110 to buy this. So total average is around approximately the total. If you make this total, is around 100 or $110 approximately comes in. So your investment is $110 in Nike. Okay. So in this investment, what is your like profit margin over here? So 1 lot, minimum you will get $30 to $20, $30 to $20. Or if you're holding it for 1 day, 2 day, or maybe 4 days prior to the earning, you will get around, depends, $50 to maybe $100. That is your income on this hedging. But if like Nike is at around, you can say 96 or 95, the running price is going on. So whichever the stock, which is about like 200, 300 like that, over there, you can get around $200 to $300. And whichever the, like, whichever stock is below 100, you'll get around $80 to $50 approximately with this hedging. Okay. So this is a step to watch out. We have to just find out whenever the earning is coming. And then the 0.5, which I was telling. So Nike, I'm taking an example on that. So over here, you can see that put side. So see, $126 call, okay, $126 call of 30th June expiry. It is at 0.530, okay, it is at 0.530. Then we'll just go. So 126 your strike price to watch out. So you have to buy 0.530, and in put side, the same thing. You will not look any strike price. You don't have to watch any strike price. You have to only watch this premium price. Got it? So we don't have to watch strike price. We have to just watch the premium price, whichever is at 0.5. So whichever is at 0.5, we will just watch out that. The same thing in put side also. You have to watch out only 0.5. And that's not a strike price. Okay. You have to watch out only 0.5. That is the price at this end, not this strike price. So the strike price will be like, $20 up, $20 up, or $20 down, like that. So you have to just watch out 0.5. That's it. Wherever the strike price goes. So once you get that strike price, like Nike, right now we'll just watch out where is Nike. So you can just see over here, Nike is around 111.75. So the current price of Nike right now, it's 111.74. Okay. What you will look is, you have to check the call side. You have to check the call side, and you have to check the put side. So your call side, so your call side premium should be 0.5. Your put side premium So this is what we have to watch. We have to not see the strike price. Right now, the current market price is 111, right? Approximately strike price. So we don't have to watch out this one. That's all. So we don't have to see the strike price. We have to just check only the premium price. That's it. And the preparation for this. Okay. So right now, for example, Nike. Nike earning is on 30th June. So definitely we will watch out the expiry date. Okay, the expiry date should be nearby. Like we will go with 30th expiry. Okay, because 30th June the earning is there. So this 0.5, whatever I told you right now, we have to look out like 1 week prior to the earning. Maybe the earning is on 30th June. So we should keep on track. We should keep on track. Like maybe you can say from 20th June. So 20th June was Monday. Your entry. So 20th June was Monday. So you can track from 20th June, but your entry should be on Friday. Or what you can do is like you can skip Friday on the main thing, like like 26th. So 26th, you would have watch out for this. Why on 26th June you have to watch out for this strike price? Because the earning is coming in this way. If the earning is coming if the earning is coming on Friday, okay, so obviously you have to watch out from Monday onwards whether there is a movement coming or not. That is what you have to observe. So always remember 7 days prior to the earning, you can go for 0.5. 7 days prior to the earning, but the expiry date should be nearby that earning date. Okay, that's a simple basic. So expiry, just give me a second, guys. So guys, the screening acha, only trading is okay. Wait, वापिस से बता दो. So this is a like logic over here to find out. I think I didn't share this screen. Now you can see this. So you understand that the basic thing. So अब मैं सिखा था यहाँ पे. So right now see guys. So what you have to do is when you know that earning, okay, when you know that the earning is on, like Nike's earning is on 30th. So what we have to do is on Monday, like 26 or 7 days prior, 7 days prior to the earning, you have to watch out. You have to just log into uSMART trade account. Once you just come here, what you have to do is just click US option, type Nike over here. Got it? So once you type Nike over here, so what you have to look out is you should not look out any strike price. Sorry. You should not look out this section, okay? Or this trade, you have to not look out any strike. Only the premiums, okay? You should not look this strike price. Only you have to look out this one, this price column. So this price column is very important for this hedging trick. So this price column is very important for the hedging trick. You don't have to just see whatever the strike price is going on. Nike, the present strike price is 111, but you don't have to take care of that. Leave it, okay? So now here, expiry is very important. Whenever the earning comes, the expiry should be near to that only. So right now for Nike, you have to just watch out for this 30th expiry, okay? Because the earning is on 30th. And then the strike price to watch out over here is put side. Put side it is 101 put. That is around 0.540. Okay. So 0.540 is your strike price to watch out. So you have to buy 101 put. That is around 0.540. Okay. The next one is in C side 126 call. Got it? So in put 101 and in call side 126 is your strike price. Both are nearby. You can say that 0.530 or 534. So the total amount spent in buying this two is around approximately, you can just say that 0.5 plus 0.5. So the total is 100, your investment. So 0.5, because one lot is equal to 100. Okay. So one lot is equal to 100. So 0.5 plus 0.5, that comes to $100. So approximately $110 is your investment in Nike. And in $110, what you can get is approximately in 2 or 3 days before the earning only you will get, maybe approximately you'll get $30. Maybe approximately you'll get $30 with your investment of maybe $100. That is approximately 30% ROI on that. Or maybe if you're lucky, if it just moves very fast, you can get around $80. That's all. So whenever the stock, like it's at 101 or maybe 102, over there, the approximate profit in this hedging trick, you'll get $30 to maybe around $80. If you're using the same trick on maybe the strike price, like if Nike or maybe Tesla, whichever is higher side, maybe 400, 300 or 500, in that situation, you can get maybe around $100 to $200. That's it in this. So here you don't have to look into any chart. You have to look into only uSMART account and you have to just check out. So whatever the trick, if that 0.5 is supposed to happen, it will happen prior to the 7 days or maybe 15 days prior. That's all. So 15 days prior, obviously the premiums will be very high. So better try whenever the 7 days, approximately nearby 7 to 8 days, the earning is coming. At that time, you can take a trade. So it will be easy for you to take, and then you can just leave it for 2 to 3 days. Whichever side gives you $30 or $40, you can take an exit. That's what you can do. One minute. Yeah, don't be in a hurry. Have patience. So 0.5 will buck 7 days prior in stock. So now whether I should enter Nike or whether I should not enter Nike, right? So always remember, guys, just take a snap of this thing, this will be helpful for you. So whether I should enter Nike or whether I should not enter the Nike, for that what you have to do is check out the previous earning. Check out the previous earning. See, go and check out the previous earning, what happened in the market. See, on previous earning, the previous earning was on Nike was at this point. See, so previous earning on Nike, it was on 22nd, 21st March. What happened on 21st March? See, 1 week prior, the candles. We'll check 7 days prior to that. See what happened. It was at the bottom, maybe you can say that. This is your day number 1, day number 2, day number 3, day number 4, 5, 6, 7. Got it? So here you can see that this was your day 7 and Nike was at the bottom, that is 117.46. It jumped to this point. Got it? So see the difference of the jump. So here it started 7 days prior. It jumped to this level. So don't you think if you're buying 7 days prior before the earning, Nike will give you something good. So today also you can buy maybe. So it jumped maybe in 7 days. When the earning came, it was at 125.68. Got it? It was at 125.68. Shilpa, how to add funds? Wait. So you can get something good in that, maybe $30 or $80 with your investment. And the earning trick, what I'm teaching you, if it goes good, like you can just go with all the stocks, right? So just check the prior. Okay, Nike has given a good movement. So the same thing will happen over here also, baby. The same thing will happen over here also. So same thing is happening. You can see that on 23rd. So on Friday, see where it was. On Friday, it was around 107.90. Right now it has jumped to 111. So once it breaks that 111, maybe 117.6 is a level to watch out. That's the game. So the game was started around Friday. And Monday also you can see that at the opening only it jumped. So at the Monday opening, if you had taken that 0.5, it might reach maybe upside movement. So where it's going to reach, we'll see. But yes, so this is a very simple trick. That's all I can say. It's a very simple trick. Just do take a paper and pen, write it down and see how far it goes. So it's a very simple trick. 7 days prior, you have to check the background of Nike, like what I told you right now. Check all the stocks earning. Whenever the stock earning comes, what you have to do is like what happened on the previous earning. That is very important. So once you know that previous earning mein isne kuch diya tha, that means it will work for you. So Nike is telling maybe yes, chances of going up or going down, wherever it will go, it will give you something, maybe $20, $30, but you will be in profit till the earning date exact on maybe 30th of June. Okay. Then this was a trick. It's a simple trick. It's only for the stocks. And if you want to just go with the same trick to find out in our, what is that called? Like if Paul is coming or some news comes, like, earning is coming, like, they just go on giving you some news. So if Paul is coming and telling you some news that, okay, there might be some change in interest rate or this rate or that rate. At that time, what you can do is the same trick. Okay, the same trick. If you know that, the same trick, if you know that some big news is coming in the market. The same trick, if some big news is coming in the market, maybe next week, like you can say that right now it's Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, if some big news is coming. So here, I will just prepare you. The same trick you can apply on SPY. Because SPY is traded. Like, like all over the world, SPY is the most traded. And it is just like an index. And here, what happens, I will tell you. SPY and triple Q. So in stocks, always remember in stocks, okay, in stocks, the expiry is weekly, and in index like this small ETF and all, SPY, triple Q, it is every day. Expiry is every day. So go with the weekly expiry. Like Monday, if you know that some news is coming, better go with Friday ka expiry. That will be easy for you. Yeah, every quarterly. Yes, Kaushik, every quarterly. Every quarterly, or see, I've shared you this one. You have to go here. What you have to do is, you have to just go here. ये tick mark दिख रहा है? यहाँ पे जाने का. ये tick mark में नीचे आने का. Go in finance like this. Once you go into finance, click here US. There is a US over here. Click US. Come down. There is an earning calendar. So once you click this earning calendar, it will tell you all the earnings for the month. Or any news based, or like any news is coming in, it will let you know. So 30th, there is a Nike ka earning. Aaj hai. Maybe like this Friday. Got it? Yeah, so what you can use is the earning comes here at the bottom also in trading view. So the same trick, if any news, big news comes, some rate change or ye change or wo change, you can use SPY and triple Q. So what happens is like in SPY and triple Q, the same thing, 0.5, it works good. But that 0.5 trick, it works very good in Tesla. Tesla gives like a, if you try in Tesla, whichever is a very volatile stock, you have to find out if the Tesla gives very good in 0.5. And if you're lucky, it gives you more than $300 or $400 also in one lot. That's all. And in SPY and triple Q, if you're in one, like if you're going in a one go, maybe chances are there, because obviously the buying is very less on both sides, $100. If you're investing $200 and you're going with 2 lots, or maybe if you're going with 3 lots, it might give you around 200 to, if we are lucky, maybe $600. That's all. This is what SPY can give you because it is a index like ETF. So ETF mein kya hota hai? A lot of people trade. So here the volatility is very good. So if you're just going with the same technique of 0.5, 0.5, if any big news comes, then only it will move. If the news doesn't come, nothing is going to happen. Got it? So if the news comes, then only the movement will be there in the market. That's it. And how to get strike price? So in Nike, okay. So for how to get a strike price? So if you have good capital, what you can do is go with monthly CPR. If you have a good capital, what you can do is go with monthly CPR. So if you want to go with one-sided, if you know that, like, Nike there might be some movement coming in, go with monthly CPR. Go with 1 day time frame. Basic thing. Put bulb and arrow. So see, bulb and arrow, you know that the earning is coming. It has already given you a buy. It has already given you a buy. So green aaya, next candle green nahi aaya. So obviously we have a bulb, barabar. We have a bulb at the bottom in 1 day time frame. So definitely you know that it's going to go up. So you can take this now. You can take 109C of 30th expiry, 30th June expiry. Because it's a monthly CPR, bottom central pivot line. That's it. What more you want? If you want to go one-sided, use 1 day, bulb and arrow. And whichever stock has the earning, just uska piche ka profile dekh lo in 15, like, what happened in last earning. Usko dekho, in earning, I think Nike goes up, what we saw. So better go with this. If you want to go one-sided, go with 109 call. And definitely it will be like 0.2 or maybe around 0.5, 0.6. So you can invest $50 and just, you can take a trade on that. Bulb and arrow. Yeah, yearly, monthly, everything you can take. Yeah, it's rainbow confirmation. You can go ahead with that. That's what you can do. और क्या चाहिए इसके अंदर? Yeah, screen मिला. So guys, it's better take a paper and pen, write it down, just make an Excel sheet, or like better if you really want to earn in dollars, what you can do is चुपचाप ये ले लो, like take a paper and pen, just make a new notebook and see that earning में what happens. So it doesn't mean that right now the market will be open and you'll take an entry. Don't do that mistake. Do the paper testing. Okay, that's very important. What happens is like you need at least $500. You need at least $500 to start. I will tell you why. You need at least $500 over here because what happens is like maybe if you are going with one pairing, okay, and same maybe in a week there are a lot of earning coming in. One pairing, your investment is $100, right? So what happens is like you are stuck in one pairing of Nike. Second pairing, again you can say that $100. So this is another hedging what I'm teaching you. Third pairing, again your investment is $100. Fourth pairing, again your investment is $100. Okay, just an example. Okay, fifth pairing, again you have $100. So what happens is there are a lot of earning comes, right? So if you are stuck in one pairing, like it's not giving you anything, okay, it's not giving you anything. What happens is like the same recovery, if you are in loss or wrong, the second pairing will give you more than that, or the third pairing will help you out in that, or maybe fourth pairing will help you out. and maybe the fifth pairing will not give you anything. So the 3 win-win ratio is there in the pairing, and maybe 2 might not give you. So the 2 pairings, if the problem comes in, so the 3 pairing will help you out, and definitely will not make a loss, because it's been like 1 month or 2 months I'm observing this logics and all. It's going good. Whenever the earning comes, just see the prior earning kya chala hai uske andar. If you know that properly, then yes, it goes in a good way. That's what I can tell. So at least you need around 3 pairing ka to paisa chahiye hi chahiye. Around $300 to start with. So what happens is like 1 pairing galat hua, second pairing will help you out to come out of the market. That's it. So this is a different hedging. So you need at least $300 to go with. So $300 you can go with 3 pairings, and if anything goes wrong, it will help you out in coming out. That's it. Yearly CPR, monthly CPR, hourly candle, time frame with bulb and arrow with rainbow. वो भी सही है. So any questions you can ask me. Any questions you can ask me. Just give me a second, guys. How to hedge second and third pairing if first pair took at 0.5, 0.5. That's good. So see, guys, this first pairing which I'm talking about, this first pairing is for Nike. Second pairing might be Tesla. Second pairing might be Tesla. Third pairing might be Apple. Earning. Fourth pairing might be some other stock. Dell. That is called pairing. Nike, Tesla, Apple, Dell, Nvidia. How to trade in Forex? एक मिनट में. ये समझा क्या? What is the meaning of pairing? Maybe Nike का earning हो सकता है. That is your first pairing. Tesla का earning would be like 27, 26. Second pairing. Apple का, because whenever this, what is that called, earning come, सब आजू बाजू में रहता है. Everything will be nearby. Everything will be nearby. So is it clear, Patil? What is pairing? अलग अलग महीने नहीं रहेगा, आजू बाजू में रहेगा. डोंट वरी. अलग अलग महीने नहीं रहेगा. अगर अलग अलग महीने रहा तो भी 2 पैरिंग तो आता ही है वीकली में. डोंट वरी. So ये पैरिंग में क्या होगा? If anything goes wrong, दूसरा बचा लेगा. And if you have a good patience, see, 0.5, 0.5 is a patient game. It's not like one day it will show you loss, next day it will just jump like a rocket. So you have to have a lot of patience in this. It is not like our market. And here the plus point is, it will not cry. Yeah, it is a mangal only indirectly. And जो मैंने देखा है 3-4 महीने का testing in this is not failed. I've just done the testing in this. It has not failed. And maybe if you're going good, maybe Mangal will come or Black Panther will be joining the party in US market in some time. Shilpa, I think if you are earning more than $10,000, $15,000, then only the problem will come. If you are just earning 100, 200, kuch nahi aayega. And if you're legally paying a tax, so koi tension nahi hai, don't worry. You're paying a tax na, incoming remittance. No issue on that. Deposit वाइस से करने का है प्रभात. वाइस से वहां पे गए अपना ये वाइस में जाके अपना अकाउंट ऐड करना, वहां से होता है. और अपना अभी तक जीपे स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ है, वो हो गया तो इजी रहेगा. या यूपीआई पेमेंट अभी तक चालू नहीं हुआ है. BP will rock in US market. Yeah, Praveen, if it just comes, you know that. Just trying that only because not getting time. If it just comes, बस हो गया. Before ending session today, एक बार Vampire Logic बता दो ना. Vampire Logic अभी Friday को आएगा. Don't worry. UPI का है, चालू है, but नहीं हुआ अभी तक ट्रांजैक्शन. ये पैरिंग समझा कि नहीं? And yeah, diversification is very important nowadays. अपना मार्केट नाइकी पैटर्न आया, ये बहुत सेफ है, कोई टेंशन भी नहीं है इसके अंदर. इट्स वेरी सेफ. दिस पैरिंग इज वेरी सेफ. इट विल बी वेरी इजी. एंड आई थिंक श्रेयांश नो हाउ इट गोज. Maybe he has made $300, $200 in paper testing. No, Balakrishnan sir, आज छुट्टी. न्यू स्टॉक, तेजल न्यू स्टॉक तो नहीं है, एक है, एक पेपर ट्रेडिंग के लिए कुछ तो है. सो सी, श्रेयांश को मालूम है $800, $300. एनवीडिया में $300 दिया. या एनवीडिया gave $300 with this pairing only. So I just went extended on that, how the pairing can hit. 300 per lot. 300 per lot नहीं है, 300 per lot नहीं है, 0.5 है बस. $100 का एक्सपेंस है. स्टॉक अर्निंग स्ट्रैटेजी, ये रिकॉर्डिंग है, आएगा रिकॉर्डिंग, डोंट वरी. एनवीडिया gave 5K USD with 500 investment. So see what Nvidia gave. 5K USD with 500 investment. One lot hedging, या one lot hedge का प्रॉफिट है 300 एनवीडिया में. एक्सपायरी, अरे एक्सपायरी वी डोंट हैव टू चूज. अगर समझना, अर्निंग अगर 30 का है, एक हफ्ते पहले ढूंढना, एक हफ्ते पहले. विवेक, अगर एक्सपायरी अभी समझना 30 को है नाइकी का, तो ये मंथ का एक्सपायरी देखेंगे ना अपन. ये एक्सपायरी, सी अभी नाइकी का अर्निंग 30 तारीख को है, राइट. सो 30 को है, तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, 30 की एक्सपायरी देखेंगे 7 दिन पहले, 7 दिन पहले या 10 दिन पहले. क्योंकि अगर अपन समझना, अपने को मालूम है नाइकी का 30 जून को है और अपन 1 तारीख को ले रहे, तो कुछ मिलेगा नहीं, बिकॉज प्रीमियम बहुत हाई रहेगा. ट्रेड एक्झिक्यूट कधी करायचंय, $20-30 भेटलं तर करून जा, थांबू नको. Same earning day expiry or maybe 1 week ago, you can watch out. It gives a good one. Expiry of the earning today. Webbull is there पेपर ट्रेड के लिए. Webbull से ट्रेड करो, पेपर ट्रेड, तब मालूम पड़ेगा. बट मेरा तो ये बोलना है कि बेटर डोंट डू पेपर ट्रेड. एक बुक बना लो uSMART में, एक बुक बनाओ, बुक के साथ ट्रेड करो, इट विल बी इजी. बुक बना के ट्रेड करो, इट विल बी इजी अकॉर्डिंग टू मी. सो डोंट लाइक पेपर ट्रेड मत करो. पेपर ट्रेड में मजा नहीं आता है. सो इफ यू गो विथ लाइक व्हाट इज दैट कॉल्ड, इफ यू आर गोइंग विथ लाइक मेकअप, एक छोटा सा फुल स्केप नोटबुक ले लेना, और क्या. डोंट मिस इट, बिकॉज हियर इफ यू मेक with this with this earning trick, you can make a good dollars, I'm telling you. Because with the earning trick you can make very big. पहले बोलता हूं. और अपने दोस्त को मत सिखाना, वो कमाएगा, you will not earn. अपने दोस्त को मत सिखाना, वो कमाएगा, you will not earn. If earning of Nike is on 2nd June, so Sri Lakshmi, you'll go with this one. You'll go with this 7th expiry. You'll go with 7th expiry. So on the expiry day, you have to exit or before that. So don't wait for big ones, $100, $200. Yeah, with Forex na, ek minute. So don't wait for the big, $200, $300. If you're getting that $30, $40, चुपचाप लेके निकलो. That's what you can do. So see guys, for Forex के लिए हमें क्या करना है? या SPY QQQ, because वो स्टॉक नहीं है, वो स्टॉक नहीं है. SPY and QQQ is not a stock. उसका एक्सपायरी एवरीडे रहता है. क्या पाटिल, हाउ टू ट्रेड इन फॉरेक्स? XAES is not there, बाकी सब है, बाकी सब है. JPP, JPY. फॉरेक्स का एक पैरिंग देना, बताता हूं. हाउ टू ट्रेड इन फॉरेक्स, गिव मी ऑन पैरिंग. क्वांटिटीज, अच्छा USD कैट, एक मिनट, जस्ट गिव मी अ सेकंड गाइस. डेल्टा नहीं है, uSMART है. एक मिनट, आता हूं डेल्टा में. Forex में if you want to trade, okay, what you can do is, so we are talking about weekly, right? So जैसे ये वीकली बल्ब आता है, ओके, जैसे ही वीकली बल्ब आएगा, एवरीथिंग जिसका भी फॉरेक्स सीखना सीख लेना, जैसे ये वीकली बल्ब आएगा with a triangle, if the triangle comes with a weekly arrow, okay, so जैसे वीकली में आएगा 1 डे डालना, किधर गया वीकली, जैसे ही बल्ब आता है वीकली में, put 1 day time frame, okay, put 1 day time frame, and then what you can do is, ये रेड आया अपने को, ये अपना एंट्री पॉइंट है, दिस इज आवर एंट्री पॉइंट, so 1.37218 is our entry point approximately. So here the game is, you should not buy the higher quantity, just buy, if it depends upon your capacity, just buy 0.1 और जो भी है, एक मिनिमम लॉट साइज, मे बी 0.10, यहाँ पे मिनिमम लॉट साइज 1 का है, सो 0.10 जो भी है $60 का है एक लॉट साइज यहाँ पे, बट मिनिमम लॉट साइज बाई करो और छोड़ दो, मिनिमम लॉट साइज, बाई मिनिमम लॉट साइज, बाई मिनिमम लॉट साइज and leave it until it doesn't break this arrow. Buy minimum lot size, एक ही lot, that's it. Buy minimum lot size, and if the candle doesn't break that bulb, you can hold. Your exit point will be for the clear entry, exit point. Whenever the bulb comes here somewhere, यहाँ पे आया रहेगा या यहाँ पे आया, that is your exit point. So if it just drops on यहाँ तक, one lot size में also you're making a, you know that कितना मिलता है in forex, that's all. See 0.10 वो तो मैंने बोला, लेकिन ये 1000 क्वांटिटी का जो लॉट साइज है, मे बी $60 का रहेगा बाइंग, $60 और उसका शॉर्टिंग होता है. सो बेटर इसमें प्लस पॉइंट क्या है कि 0.1 तो ऐसे एकदम ये एग्जांपल दिया है, अगर 1000 क्वांटिटी बाय करके if you leave also you'll get a very good point, because यहाँ पे लिवरेज नहीं है. इन uSMART there is no leverage, so leverage नहीं है तो कैपिटल उड़ता नहीं है, और जैसे कि MT4 and all there is a leverage, so leverage के उस हिसाब से कैपिटल उड़ेगा, और कोई स्प्रेड चार्ज कुछ नहीं है इसके अंदर uSMART में. So if you are taking the 1000 quantity, next बल्ब आने तक छोड़ देना and just let me know कितना मिला करके, बिकॉज यहाँ पे लिवरेज नहीं है, वहां पे अपना 500% लिवरेज है. दैट्स अ रीजन एक ही कैंडल आता है और कैपिटल लेके जाता है. जस्ट ट्रीट इट इज लाइक अ स्टॉक, सो विदाउट लिवरेज यू कैन मेक गुड वन. हाँ महेंद्र, इस पे इन्वेस्टमेंट स्टार्टिंग के लिए कम से कम $200 चाहिए. ये सो ना, यहाँ पे उड़ेगा नहीं, you'll get good one, और वहां पे एक ही कैंडल आएगा स्प्रेड करके, स्प्रेड ये एंड ऑल, they'll charge too much. And always remember, nothing comes free. That is the logic, और कुछ नहीं. uSMART का फॉरेक्स ट्रेड इसमें अपडेटेड नहीं है मेरे, इसमें मेरे को अपडेट करना पड़ेगा. मोबाइल में ऑलरेडी मैंने ये अपडेट नहीं किया है, इसमें नहीं है, मोबाइल पे है. और यस, आई थिंक मेरे को अपडेट करना पड़ेगा वर्जन, तब आएगा वो. या 550, बेटर गो विद अर्निंग. $200 वहां पे डालना, उसके बाद करना यहाँ पे. सो बेटर गो विद दिस अर्निंग का जो ट्रिक मैंने सीखा है. 20K, हाँ 20K. या डे एंड टाइम फ्रेम एंड वीकली CPR. यस, यू कैन यूज वीकली CPR ऑल्सो इन फॉरेक्स. और सिंपल बेसिक है, फॉरेक्स में ज्यादा दिमाग मत लगाओ. बल्ब आया, वीकली बल्ब आया, यूज 1 डे टाइम फ्रेम and take a trade. और 2-3 बार like आते रहेगा bulb. And if you know that weekly bulb to weekly bulb खेलो, you'll get a big profit in forex. Weekly bulb to weekly bulb, if you are trading, you'll get a very big profit in forex. I'm telling you, use weekly bulb to weekly bulb concept. Nike, check Nike. Nike का check right now. 30 को इसका earning. Check Nike. 0.5. कुछ मिलता है क्या? And I'll be live in the market ना. मेरे को पूछते रहना, बताऊंगा कौन सा earning में क्या करना है. और I'll just put it अपना यहाँ पे. What is that called? यहाँ पे अपडेट करते रहूंगा in our uSMART app. Okay. सर इसमें एक्सपायरी नहीं है. फॉरेक्स में कोई एक्सपायरी नहीं है. फॉरेक्स में कोई एक्सपायरी नहीं है, बट फॉरेक्स बहुत रिस्की है. इसके लिए फॉरेक्स में एक क्वांटिटी डाल के छोड़ दो. फॉरेक्स में बहुत मिलता है, याद रखना. वीकली बल्ब टू वीकली बल्ब, वॉट एवर, इफ यू हैव अ पेशेंस, लेके बैठो, फिर देखो मजा आएगा फॉरेक्स में. जब तक वीकली बल्ब तोड़ता नहीं है, छोड़ देना उसको. दूसरा वीकली बल्ब तक मे बी विल गेट $3,000 या $4,000. ज्यादा मिलेगा तो. So that's all for the days, guys. Any doubts? Our group is there. Group में पूछ लेना. I'll just post. Okay. That's all for the days. Catch you up tomorrow in our market. How to see option chart? Balaji, you are doing a cheating. Option chart के लिए यही है ना, option chart. यहाँ पे जाने का US option. यहाँ पे क्लिक करने का the stock name. Okay. यहाँ पे क्लिक करने का stock name, you'll get it. Here you can make, I'm telling you, in forex, if you're using weekly bulb to weekly bulb, you can make hell lot of money. I don't have a time. अभी आऊंगा, wait. So जैसे ही weekly bulb and arrow आ गया, जब तक weekly bulb नीचे आता नहीं है या ऊपर आता नहीं है, you can make a hell lot of money. That's all I can tell. Check कर लेना, you'll get the answer. जब तक weekly bulb तोड़ता नहीं है, every week $1,000-2,000. And forex में there are a lot of pairing. So कोई भी pairing में कुछ ना कुछ आ ही जाता है. Weekly bulb ऊपर या नीचे. JPY अच्छा देता है. Okay, in that. So that's all for the days, guys. Catch you up tomorrow 9-7. And yeah, I already recorded maybe McDonald pattern tomorrow in the market. Bye, guys. See you.